Hey WealthWalk family. Today I'm excited to share how I recently made $800 online using just Google and a simple copy-paste system. The best part? I'll show you exactly how to do this, even if you're completely new to making money online. All you need is your computer or smartphone. Let's dive into this amazing opportunity. First, head over to listverse.com. This website is absolutely incredible. It's packed with fascinating top 10 articles like Top 10 Great Depression Foods that are actually tasty, and 10 iconic movie and TV restaurants that are actually real. They've got thousands of articles getting millions of views daily, especially from readers in the United States. Here's the exciting part. These articles aren't written by the website team. They're created by people just like you and me. And I'm about to show you a brilliantly simple technique to make easy money writing them, using just Google and a copy-paste system. This method is completely free and works worldwide. When you visit listverse.com, scroll to the top and click on More, then Write and Get Paid. Here's where it gets interesting. They'll pay you $100 for each article you submit. You don't need to be an expert writer. Just create a list with 10 items, send it in, and if they like it, they'll publish it and send $100 straight to your PayPal account. Submit 5 articles. That's $500. 10 articles. You're looking at $1,000. Now let me share something most people don't realize about this opportunity. The key to success isn't just submitting as many articles as possible. It's about understanding what type of content Listverse readers actually want. I've analyzed hundreds of their most popular articles, and I've noticed they particularly love 3 types of content: unusual historical facts, bizarre scientific discoveries, and lesser-known cultural phenomena. When you focus on these themes, your acceptance rate skyrockets. Here's a golden nugget that's been working wonders for our WealthWalk community: the curiosity gap technique. When you're crafting your article titles, create a slight disconnect between what readers think they know and what your article promises to reveal. For example, instead of Top 10 Ancient Egyptian Facts, try Top 10 Ancient Egyptian Practices that Modern Science Can't Explain. This simple tweak can dramatically increase both your acceptance rate and reader engagement. Let me share a real example from my own experience. Last month, I submitted an article about historical medical practices that seemed crazy, but actually led to modern breakthroughs. It wasn't just a list of facts. Each item told a mini story that connected the past to the present. The editor responded within 24 hours, saying it was exactly what they were looking for. Why? Because it wasn't just informative. It challenged readers' assumptions and made them think differently about medical history. Another insider tip: before submitting your article, run it through what I call the dinner party test. Ask yourself, would these facts make for interesting dinner party conversation? If you can imagine people saying, "Wow, I never knew that," or "I have to share this with someone," you're on the right track. This simple test has helped me maintain an 80% acceptance rate with my submissions. Here's another pro tip that's been working incredibly well for our WealthWalk community. Before you start writing, use Google Trends to see what topics are currently gaining interest. This way, you're not just creating random content, you're tapping into actual reader demand. This simple step has helped many of our members double their acceptance rates. Let me show you exactly how to leverage Google Trends like a pro. Don't just look at the overall trends, dive into the related queries section. This is where you'll find specific angles that people are actually searching for. For example, if you see that ancient civilizations are trending, check the related queries to find out which specific aspects people are most curious about. Maybe there's suddenly increased interest in ancient Roman concrete or Mayan astronomy. These specific angles are pure gold for creating unique, targeted content. Another secret weapon is using the geographic comparison feature in Google Trends. Sometimes a topic might be trending heavily in English-speaking countries like Australia or the UK before it hits the US market. This gives you a perfect opportunity to be ahead of the curve. I've personally used this strategy to get 3 articles accepted in 1 week because I was writing about topics just before they peaked in US interest. Let's talk about the AI writing strategy. Head over to ChatGPT. Simply search for it or go to chat.openai.com. Create an account if you haven't already. It's super easy with your Google account. ChatGPT is an incredible AI tool that can write pretty much anything you need. Stay tuned, because I'm about to show you the exact strategy I used to make $798 myself. But here's what most people get wrong about ChatGPT. They just ask it to write a list and call it a day. That's amateur hour. The real magic happens when you treat ChatGPT like a research assistant first. Ask it to give you unique angles on your topic, then ask for contradicting viewpoints, and finally, request the most surprising facts. This three-step process helps you create content that's not just unique, but genuinely fascinating. And remember, WealthWalk family, unique content is what gets accepted and earns you that sweet $100 payment. But here's the real game changer. Don't just ask ChatGPT to write a random top 10 list. Instead, give it specific instructions. For example, say something like, write a top 10 list about unusual historical facts that changed the course of medicine, including specific dates, names, and surprising consequences. The more specific your prompt, the better the output. Now, let's explore an even bigger opportunity, turning these articles into YouTube Shorts. Here's why this is absolutely brilliant. While Listverse pays you once for an article, YouTube Shorts can generate passive income for months or even years. Look at channels like Top Tenor. They're earning between $10,000 and $27,000 monthly, potentially reaching $220,000 yearly. Here's what makes this strategy so powerful. It's all about content repurposing at its finest. Think about it. You've already done the research for your Listverse article, you've already found the most interesting angles, and you've already structured the content in an engaging way. Now you're just transforming it into a different format that can reach an entirely new audience. Let me share a secret that's been working incredibly well for our WealthWalk community. While most people just convert their articles directly into videos, the real magic happens when you break down each list item into its own mini story. One top 10 list can actually become 10 different shorts, each focusing deeply on a single fascinating point. This approach not only gives you more content, but also allows you to test which topics resonate most with your audience. I've seen WealthWalk members turn a single $100 Listverse article into a series of shorts that generated over $1,000 in ad revenue. Let me show you the exact process. First, we'll use Nido.org. It's an AI tool that can transform your written content into engaging video content. When creating your account, make sure to select the portrait format for shorts. Here's a crucial tip. While their free version is good, I found that investing in the paid version can pay for itself within just a few videos, thanks to the higher quality templates and features. The key to success with shorts is understanding the format. You want to hook viewers in the first 2 seconds. Start with your most interesting fact or shocking revelation. Then use pattern interrupts, sudden changes in voice tone or music, to keep viewers engaged. This technique has helped many WealthWalk members maintain an average view duration of over 80%. Remember, WealthWalk family, this is about working smarter, not harder. By combining these two methods, Listverse articles and YouTube Shorts, you're not just creating content, you're building multiple income streams. Think about it. One well-researched topic can earn you an immediate $100 from Listverse, plus ongoing revenue from YouTube. If anything isn't clear, just replay the video. Still have questions? Drop them in the comments below. Don't forget to check out my other video on how to earn $180 for every 2 ads you watch. This is WealthWalk, helping you build your financial future. See you in the next video.